Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Discord. So first you open your Discord application and log into your account. After that, on the top right corner you will see, as you can see here, the icon for update. You just click on that and Discord will be updated automatically. So if you don't see this icon for updates, you can do this. You go back, then you go click here, and then you will see Discord icon. You just right click on that and then you click on check for updates. If you do this and you still don't see any updates, you can just go back and right click on Discord icon, then you click on quit Discord, then you go back and open it again and Discord will install any update if there is available. If you did all those steps and you still don't see any update or anything changed, so that means that there is no available update for Discord in that time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.